Next candidate is Rich Mitchell. He's running for Governor's Council. The most important thing they do is they make sure that the judges we get aren't criminals, at least before they get on the bench. It's amazing the people that apply for judgeships, and you dig into their background and what's there. It's scary. If you've ever been to court, this is the type of thing you need to do, is you have to have a good judge in there to give you a fair count. That's all you want to do, is something fair. Rich Mitchell is running to do that, to make sure you get a fair count from a fair person.
It was going to be a tough person to follow, but so I'm Rich Mitchell, running for Governor's Council District 2, which goes from Hopkinton to West Roxbury down to Seacog. So I'm running for a position that no one knows what it does or that it exists in an area that's larger than the congressional district as an independent. So it's probably the craziest thing I've ever done. I am not a politician. I was a small business owner for 16 years. I ran a computer training company in Natick and Framingham from 91 until 2007, until I was brought through the family court system, unfortunately in a divorce, and was completely appalled at what I saw and what I went through. And the fact that if you're a dad and you want to spend time with your kids, they treat you like a criminal. So I've decided that I just could not stand there and sit by and do nothing. And I've decided to run for Governor's Council because we need better judges in the state of Massachusetts. So the Governor's Council, there are 8 Governor's Councilors. Okay. They are the only check that we have on the governor. The governor can appoint anyone he wants to the governor to be a judge, and the Governor's Council has to approve it. Okay, the Governor's Council for the last 20 years or more has been a rubber stamp. They approve virtually every single appointee the governor puts in, whether it's the present governor or the past Republican ones. They just don't do their job. Okay. I'm on the Governor's Council. I will only approve judges that have not shown bias while a lawyer, respect the Constitution, will not legislate from the bench, respect due process and individual rights, and have common sense. Well, finally, whatever happens on November 2nd, my goal is to reform the judiciary of Massachusetts, and I am going to continue either on or off the Governor's Council, and we need to put term limits on judges, remove judicial immunity, and reform the district family court system. Thank you.